I've just made a post about Archlinux logout. Super X is the way to go for us anywhere on Arch. You can log out, reboot, shut down, and I've got rid of a few of the others which I never use. Is Hibernate, and there's one other I think, right? But these guys are the ones I want to see, and all the rest I don't want to see. Those are options. Like there are options up here as well. How opaque do you want it? A little bit more black, or the icon size a little bigger, or the font size a little bit more, and 28 themes, colors, icons. So you save the settings, escape, and Super X is gonna be a little bit bigger because etc, etc. So you choose whatever you want. But what I've done lately, so it's a user, from a user perspective, what we have added to our system, our repo, is i3lock-color. Yeah, I think it was already there. i3lock-fancy-dualmonitors is new and it's installed, but it's not used. So sudo pacman -s i3lock-fancy-dualmonitors, you got it, and then you have an application, i3lock-fancy-dualmonitor. So this is the name. This is how it gets launched. Now, if we do a Super X and we do lock, we get another mechanism, the mechanism we prefer. And it's going to be the little fishies here. I hope you see it. I don't know if the recording is still active then. We'll see it later. But I want to have that. It's all taken care of. The .config, we have the Archlinux logout, and there's this file. And it's in this file that you define the things you want. You say the opacity, no, I'm gonna go for 90. Fine. Icon size, or let's round it off. Font size a little bit smaller. The buttons you want to see, so suspend I don't want to see, hibernate I don't want to see. I've already done that. I've made my choice as user, say those are the buttons in that order that I like to see it. And we're using the better lock screen. So what we could do is decide to change something and say okay, it's fine, but the lock from now on will be i3lock-fancy-dualmonitor, or anything else, right? It's just an example. Anything else you just find on the internet what you like, and you say that's the one that's going to lock my thing. So a Super X and then lock is going to launch something else. Now this thing should be there. So let's see and have a look. i3, did I make a typo there? Lock fancy dual monitor. I enter it. Okay, and it's locked. It takes a while. I do hope the recording goes on. Yeah, it seems to be. So this thing is just taking me a few seconds and minutes probably. i3lock-fancy-dualmonitors, but i3lock-fancy-dualmonitors. Oh my god, right? Save. And now it's done. It's set. It's the way I like it, and that's maybe something you don't know, but we can add lots of things here. Themes, you can decide the theme here as well. Change the bindings. I prefer you kept them, but it's your tool. It's your computer. So if you want to use another letter, that's fine. And then it's defined here. All right. So use our Archlinux logout app to the max, I would say. Cheers.